Welcome back in the kitchen, guys, with my Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite dishes, food, ideas, ways to do things at home. Easy, quick, and done and dusted. Today we want to show you how you can remove the shell, dry bit of the garlic. How to peel garlic. Let's get it straight. I'm going to show you how to peel garlic. The best way to peel garlic at home. Very easy, simple, and effective, and nothing complicated. That's what we're talking about. So guys, hopefully this will be a benefit to you. Enjoy it, guys, and I'm telling you, this is one of the easiest way, the best way you could ever thought of, the easiest way. A lot of people doesn't like to smell the garlic, a lot of people doesn't like to peel garlic, a lot of people hate garlic, a lot of people doesn't like to see garlic, and a lot of people love garlic. But sometimes it's so stressful to peel it and to remove the dry bits on the outside. Easiest way come to you today from Chef Ricardo. This is the easiest way. And tell your friend and your neighbor and your sister and your friend and your, just tell everyone. Tell everyone. Yes, tell everyone about Chef Ricardo. How to peel garlic at home. Very easy and simple and nothing complicated. So thank you so much for watching the cooking show. And it's the best. And we have a lot more recipe coming out for you. A lot more ideas coming out for you. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back at Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, it looks so very weird and very hard and very easy, everything in one. Today we want to show you how you can peel a clove of garlic or a head of garlic, whatever you want to call it. A lot of people know to peel garlic and a lot of people doesn't know, but I'm gonna give you the easiest way you could ever think and one of the best way you could ever think. I'm telling you guys, you're gonna love this one. Look at this. First of all, you need a bowl like this, empty bowl, nothing inside of it, and a lid. These two things. Break off your garlic clove like this. Straight inside of the pan. And all I'm gonna do, lovely. Nice. Done. Cover. Nice and lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. Easy. Look. Look. Nice and easy. And look how the trash easy to come off. Can simple. Let's remove the trash like this. Very easy and simple, guys. As I said, this is one of the best way you could ever peel your garlic at home. Look, very easy and simple. Shake it up a couple times well inside of your bowl, and that's it. Very easy and simple. And just remove the shell, because a lot of people doesn't like to peel garlic. So when they can get the best way, them really appreciate it. So as you can see, the best way, look, very easy. I can't believe. And as I said, look at this. This is just very easy and simple. Look how your garlic come out. Really lovely and nice. And that's exactly what we are talking about. Or you can remove the dry bit from your garlic at home. Enjoy, guys. This is a tips and idea, and hopefully this will be a benefit to you. And see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team, working very hard. Ideas and ways how you can do things at home easy. See you next time.